Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Welcome to our comprehensive guide on BigCommerce Stripe integration. In today's video, we will explore the importance, benefits, and key features of integrating BigCommerce with Stripe. We'll also walk you through the steps to integrate these platforms and show you how automation can speed up your business processes. So let's get started. Importance of BigCommerce and Stripe integration. BigCommerce is a powerful e-commerce platform that allows merchants to build and manage online stores effectively. On the other hand, Stripe is a renowned payment gateway known for its reliability, security, and global presence. By integrating BigCommerce with Stripe, businesses can seamlessly process online payments from customers, ensuring a smooth and convenient checkout experience. This integration also offers enhanced security measures, protecting sensitive customer data and inspiring trust and confidence. Benefits of BigCommerce Stripe integrations. With this integration, you can harness, means tackle, the power of customization, seamlessly scale your business, expand into new markets, optimize your revenue potential, drive sales and growth, and embrace various payment methods. BigCommerce and Stripe offer key features and capabilities that empower businesses to create risk-free and straightforward online shopping experiences. BigCommerce provides a robust e-commerce platform, mobile-optimized stores, flexible product management, streamlined checkout processes, SEO, and marketing tools. Stripe offers a reliable payment infrastructure, diverse payment options, subscription billing, fraud prevention, global expansion capabilities, developer-friendly tools, and access to analytics and reporting. Steps to integrate BigCommerce with Stripe. First, ensure you have an active BigCommerce store and a Stripe account. Then, log in to your BigCommerce store and go to Store Setup to set up payments. Choose Stripe as your payment provider and connect your Stripe account. Customize the Stripe settings and save your changes. After completing the integration, verify its success by checking if the Stripe payment option is visible and selectable on your store's checkout page. Test a live transaction to ensure payments are processed correctly. Automation can significantly speed up your business processes when integrating Stripe with BigCommerce. Let's explore 10 ways automation can enhance your efficiency. Automate order processing, inventory management, customer notifications, subscription management, refunds, dispute resolution, financial reporting, shipping and fulfillment, marketing, and account reconciliation. By automating these processes, you can save time, reduce manual errors, and focus on strategic initiatives. And that concludes our comprehensive guide on BigCommerce Stripe integration. We hope this video has provided you with valuable insights into the importance, benefits, and steps involved in integrating BigCommerce with Stripe. Remember, automation plays a vital role in maximizing the efficiency of your integration. You can save time, reduce errors, and focus on growing your business by automating key processes such as order management, inventory control, and customer notifications. Thank you for watching, and we wish you all the best in your endeavors. Stay tuned for more insightful videos and guides from our channel. Until next time, happy selling!